Hello everyone, welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting campus update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notified instantly. So dear students, we are pleased to inform you that Capgemini, the leading IT MNC, is conducting off-campus drive for 2020 batch freshers, and we are here to give you the details about the same. This is a brief introduction about Capgemini. Capgemini, as you all know, it is a leading IT MNC. It doesn't need any special introduction. They are leader in consulting, digital transformation, technology, and engineering services. It is a multinational company, and it has more than 270,000 team members across 50 countries across the globe. So you may find more information about them on their website, which is capgemini.com. Yes, so as mentioned earlier, Capgemini are conducting off-campus recruitment drive for 2020 batch students, and these are the eligibility details. So the 2020 batch freshers from BTech, MTech, and MCA qualification, and from the specialization of IT, computer science, computer, and ENTC, electronics and communication, electrical, instrumentation, etc. are eligible for this drive. The candidates are expected to have 60% throughout, meaning 60% in 10th, 12th diploma, and also 60% aggregate in graduation and or PG. So these are some other criteria and conditions. So as far as gap is concerned, there should be maximum of 1 year gap after HSC, and as far as gap after diploma is concerned, none gap is allowed after diploma. And once you register, it's not necessary that all the students will be shortlisted for the process. So only the shortlisted candidates will be invited for the process. And candidates should also have appropriate infrastructure for the virtual process, as the campus is going to be online. So the freshers, the candidates are expected to have a good laptop with good internet connection and necessary infrastructure as well. And to add, candidates should be willing to work on any technology, role, domain, shift, and at any location. Campus mode, yes, it is going to be virtual, which will be remote online. Campus date will be informed to the shortlisted candidates after registration by Capgemini, and the deadline to apply for this off-campus drive is 5th February 2021. So these are the selection process details. The first round is technical assessment based on pseudo coding. The next two rounds are MCQs based on English communication test and game-based aptitude test, which will be followed by behavioral competency profiling, and then the interviews, technical as well as HR interviews. So if you are eligible and if you are willing to apply, you should visit this URL, which is bit.ly/profoundcg, PROFOUNDCG. Please note that this URL is case sensitive, so make sure that when you enter the URL in the address bar, you enter it in the correct manner. So thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you have been liking our videos and you are finding them useful. So Profound EduTech, yes, we are basically a top IT training and placement company. We have 5 training centers in Pune, 3 in Mumbai, and 1 in Nasik. So enroll today for full stack Java, .NET testing, Python, data science, machine learning courses at Profound EduTech and get 100% guaranteed placement support. We launch new batches almost every week. So to get more details about our courses, you may please call on this mentioned number. This is the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course, which covers right from your programming fundamentals. In the backend, we have core Java, web-based Java with frameworks, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, followed by web design and Angular in front end. Then we also cover server-side JS and MongoDB We also have Python programming covered in it along with software testing. So as you can see, multiple technologies and programming languages are covered within the same diploma course, and which helps you to get upgraded on multiple skills and also explore the placement opportunities which are specific to these skills. This is the similar advanced diploma in software testing, testing which covers your programming fundamentals, manual testing, as well as automation testing, advanced Selenium WebDriver, BDD with Cucumber, Tosca Suite, etc. You may find more details about the contents of these courses on our website, which is www.profoundedutech.com. So these are highlights of our courses. All our trainings, whether online or offline trainings, they are live trainings which are conducted by senior trainers. And since these are live trainings, a lot of interaction becomes possible between the students and the trainers, which helps to get all the doubts, queries, questions solved immediately. We cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course so that you are skilled on multiple technologies and you also explore the placement opportunities which are specific to the skills that you learn. Then we give a lot of importance to the practical knowledge, hence we follow a strict hands-on approach. We have daily assignments for our students which they practice in the labs, computer labs. In the labs also we have lab trainers who guide the students in the assignments. Whatever the students learn, they implement it on real world projects. So this is how we give a lot of importance to practical knowledge. And yes, most importantly, we arrange daily exclusive campus drives for our trained students in Java, Angular, testing, .NET, Python, etc. Hardly 5 to 10% of campus drives that we arrange, they are open campus. Rest all 90-95% campus drives, they are only for Profound EduTech's trained students, because that is the demand from the industry also. When it comes to off-campus hiring, they prefer to hire trained freshers than plain freshers. So to get more details about us, more updates about us, please remain in touch with all our social platforms. You may find us on Facebook. On Facebook page, we have 51,000 plus likes where we keep posting all our regular updates. Do like our Facebook page. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, as mentioned earlier. You can also find us on Telegram, and as far as website is concerned, it's www.profoundedutech.com. So dear students, thank you once again for watching this video. Hope to see you soon once again.